The biggest thing that I gained from my CTE school was confidence. Being a female in this field is a little bit more difficult. There's a lot more challenges to be faced, so I just kind of built my confidence while I was in high school, even more so when I went to college. And then I came here and I was ready to go straight to work. I didn't doubt myself, I didn't doubt my skills or my training. The skills that I gained at my CTE school allowed me to move faster in my career. I jumped higher up that ladder than I would have if I didn't have those baseline skills that I already had coming into this job. As the assistant manager here, and I have a role in the hiring process, and when I see an application come across my desk with prior CTE training, I put that one on top of the pile because I know that they're going to already come equipped with the skills that they need to start out here. We need workers. The entire workforce now needs people to come into the trades. We need you to come to work. We need you to be ready and capable in your job. If you can start off in high school being 15, 16, 17 years old, absolutely. Then you can come out of it with a career. If you're thinking about going to CTE, don't hesitate. Do it. Figure it out young. My name is Liza Clark. I'm from Appleton, and I'm now the assistant manager at RP Bell Collision in Saco.